This one got hit in this right front lower corner. I have a older Toyota Camry here. This one got hit in this right front lower corner on this lower tie bar right here, and it got into a little bit on the frame rail right in here. They actually sell this plate separately, so I have that new plate to replace. Then I have this corner piece right here that's part of the lower tie bar. I have a new frame rail end cap, this little piece, as well as this piece inside of there. So to start with, I have our measuring system out. I'm gonna go ahead and make some measurements, check this front end. I wanna see if it's knocked over or what all could be moved on it. And if I need to, I will make some pulls and square it up. And I'm gonna grab this and roughly pull this tie bar out. Then I will start dissecting this corner and replacing these pieces. So I measured this one out, and it looks like this front end, this rail is up a little bit. It's pushed over quite a bit. So first I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab this right here, and I'm gonna pull that out, down, and over at the same time. After that, I'll recheck these rails and see where we're at, and I'll probably have to tweak those around a little more. So I have this one all measured out, and both of my frame rails and everything is very close. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this corner apart. I might have to do some final tweaking once I get further into it, but I got it very close where it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna get this corner cut off. So I got this all cut apart. I have a lower tie bar here We ordered this, we weren't sure if we were gonna need it or not, but after looking at this more, this thing has a huge bow in it and it's not wanting to flatten out. So I'm afraid this thing is twisted up pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this out right here and put the new one of those in as well. Now I went ahead and I rechecked this frame rail, and I have my measuring system on this point right here, and I'm gonna move this over and down just a little bit. It only needs a few millimeters. So I have this one all fit together. I got the structure all measuring out good, but I wanted to fit the headlights and bumper and everything just to make sure everything was fitting good. It all looks very nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one back apart and I'm gonna get all of that structure welded in. I have some 3M cavity wax here. I'm going to hose it inside of all the areas where I welded this new structure in. This sprays in a 360-degree pattern. And this will seep in all the seams and just protect it from rust in the future.